All right guys, welcome to another video. Just want to give you a quick update on our Audi A4 Ultra Sport. This car is my wife's daily driver and we've had it since 2005. We're the original owners and we really love this car. It's been so good over the last 15 years, but it has some needed repairs. So our question has been, do we go ahead and make these repairs or is it time to let it go? Some of you may have seen my previous video where I asked the question, when is it time to sell? And I just explained that this car is getting long in the tooth. I got a lot of messages and expressing interest in purchasing this car. And I just want to put the word out now that we've decided to keep it for a while longer and make the repairs that are needed. One of the front struts went bad, so we're going to replace both of them at the same time so it's nice and balanced. Also, this car really needs new front brakes and rotors, new pads and rotors. So we're going to go ahead and get that repair done as well. And we want to keep it all stock. We love the way that the Ultra Sport handles and the ride of the Ultra Sport. The Ultra Sport, as you know, is a little bit lower, a little bit more driver focused anyway. So we're going to keep it all OEM for now. This car is primarily my wife's daily driver, and she really enjoys it. She likes the look of the car. It has more of a sportier, aggressive look because it's the Ultra Sport. She likes the way it drives and handles. She also loves the 6-speed manual transmission, and that is a rare thing to have in a modern day car, a manual transmission. So that, in combination with the more sporting nature of the suspension, she really enjoys that look, feel, and handling. This particular wagon has space in the back for our dogs. It's not too big for her. She likes the form factor of this car. It's the right size for her. She enjoys it. So with that winning combination, we decided to hold on to it for a while longer. And wagons are so hard to come by in the United States. They just don't sell very many of them anymore, at least at this size and price point. And this is a performance version. This has a manual transmission as well. So that makes this even rarer. We could go the SUV route, but my wife really doesn't like SUVs. She doesn't really like sitting up high and that sort of thing. We really like this car. I have to say, it's been fantastic. The car is in excellent shape, which again, I don't want to jinx myself. I don't want to jinx the car, but the car has been fantastic since 2005. We're the original owners, so that's 15 years of ownership. And it's been pretty worry-free, so knock on wood that that track record continues. All right guys, that's all for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed, and let us know, what are your feelings about keeping an older car going as your daily driver? So this is not some collectible antique car that just sits in the garage. We use this car. So how do you feel about continuing to invest in a car that's been reliable for so long? Or do you abandon it and just go for something new? Drop your comments down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Safe driving.